little learners, today we are going to start with chapter 5, My School. So in this chapter, I will tell you about the school. As you all know, school is a place where you all go to study, you learn new things over there. And in the school, we have different rooms. We have classroom, computer room, right, library, staff room, principal room. These are the different types of rooms that you see in the school. So I will tell you about the school and the rooms in the school. So here some warm up given. You have to fill in the blanks with the information about your school. आपको अपने school की information लिखनी है, right? My school name is whatever is the school name. I study in class. आप कौन सी class में पढ़ते हैं? Then I go to school too. I go to school too. Right? My class teacher name is आपकी class teacher का name and my principal name is. And then you will write your principal name. Right? So now let's move to our chapter now. As you all know, school is our second home. School क्या है? हमारा दूसरा घर है. Right? It is a place where we learn new things. जहाँ हम क्या सीखते हैं? नई नई चीजें सीखते हैं. Study and make friends. What all things you do? You learn new things. आप नई नई चीजें सीखते हैं, study करते हैं और friends बनाते हैं. Right? These all are activities that we do in the school. Next is at home, our elder teaches us. At school, our teachers teach us new thing, good manners and good habits. देखो घर पे हम रहते हैं तो जो हमारे elder member होते हैं वो हमें अच्छी चीजें सिखाते हैं, good manners सिखाते हैं. और अगर हम schools की बात करें तो हमारे जो teachers हैं वो हमें नई चीजें बताते हैं, good habits बताते हैं, right? How you should behave properly. All these things are taught in the school by our teachers, right? Now we must keep our school clean and नीट. वी मस्ट मेंटेन डिसिप्लिन इन द स्कूल. आपको एक तो अपने स्कूल को नीट रखना है, क्लीन रखना है और डिसिप्लिन बना के रखना है. नाउ let's move to our next topic, that is rooms in the school. I have told you about what is school. Hope you understood. Now we will move to the rooms. Besides classroom, there are many other rooms. देखो classroom के साथ साथ और भी बहुत सारे room होते हैं हमारे schools में. So let's study about those different types of room. Like classroom. What you do in the classroom? You study there. Then we have principal room. In the principal room, your principal set. जब आपके principal होती है वो कहाँ बैठती है? अपने principal room में. Right? Then we have library. In library, what you do? You sit over there, you read different books, right? आप बैठते हो, books पढ़ते हो. These all are activities that you see in the library. Next is staff room. Staff room क्या होता है? Here teachers sits. तो हमारे जो टीचर्स होते हैं वो बैठते हैं इन द फ्री टाइम. जब उनका फ्री पीरियड होता है, फ्री टाइम होता है, they all gather in the staff room. Next is computer room, right? When you have a computer period, you all go to computer lab and there what you study about the computer, right? Then we have medical room. When you are sick, when you feel sick or you are hurt in the school, then where do you go? You go to the sick room, right? And what? A medicine, what they provide you? Medicines. And if you are hurt, they give you proper care. Then we have canteen over the school. देखिए आप सबके स्कूल में कैंटीन होती है. In your lunch time, you go to the canteen to buy some eatables. आप जाते हैं, eatables buy करते हैं and you eat there, right? Then music room, we learn music. Music room में हम जाते हैं music. जब आपका music period होता है या dance period होता है, and there what you learn? You learn आप क्या सीखते हैं? Music and dance. Now we have activity room, right? Activities room में आपका activity period भी होता है स्कूल में, where do you do different types of activities. आप अलग अलग तरीके की activities करते हैं, right? Like clay activity related to clay or any other craft activity. All these activities are done in the activity room. Here are some other rooms in the school like auditorium, assembly hall, office and washroom. देखो इसके साथ साथ whatever I have told you the different rooms in the school, we have other room also like auditorium. ठीक है, एक assembly hall होता है where do you all go and do assembly or morning prayer over there. Then we have office and the different washroom over there. Right? These are the different types of rooms that I have told you here. Then think and tell, write the name of the library book that you are reading these days. आपको अपनी library book का name लिखना है जो भी आप read करें. right? So this was all about the school and the different rooms in the school. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.